Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah. Rafa is hydrocarbons like aspirate start stating compounds. It's got to repeat way. Hydrocarbon compounds of carbon and hydrogen. But their structure is classified into three groups: straight chain compounds, branched chain, and ring compounds. You last lecture known कि straight chain compound in which one carbon atom is attached to not more than two carbon atoms, like this one in a straight chain. Rathim is saturated hydrocarbons like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. There are three carbons. We call it as propane. ठीक इधर पर अगर इस फोर कार्बन बनाओ CH2, CH2 and CH3, there are four carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will call it as butane. You must make unsaturated hydrocarbons. You should saturated hydrocarbons means which contain only carbon single bonds. Much carbon as single bond. Agar even unsaturated hydrocarbon which unsaturated compounds. तो उनमें क्या शासन? ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल double bonds or triple bonds. How these unsaturated hydrocarbons are named? हम किस पर करो now with double bonds or triple bonds. हम किस पर करो now? Same propane. अगर इस propane बनाओ CH3 CH double bond CH2. There are three carbons means propane. In case of अगर एक double bond ऐसी तब चीज ऐड करन लास्ट अस इन एंडस पर अगर एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ऐसी we add ion तब भाई उस पर अगर एक सिंगल बॉन्ड है सिंगल बॉन्ड ऐसे करन कौन we add ANE means propane, butane, pentane means ane means it contains only single bonds. Then butane and then single bonds. Whereas in case अगर double bond है तो just करन ene add अगर triple bond है तो just करन ion. As you know, a compound with three carbons CH3 CH double bond CH2 means here one carbon is two carbons are linked together by one double bond means we will add after prop but इधर से an क्या इस करो we will replace ene propene इधर से propane इधर बनी propene अगर यहाँ वन convert करो into triple bond CH3 C triple bond CH same number of carbons 1 2 and 3 इधर से 1 2 and 3 means it is prop मगर ene करो ना ऐड के इस करो because it contains triple bonds propane propane दाखिल करें कर हो शक इधर पर अगर ब्यूटेन बनाओ जो सैचुरेटेड अगर अनसैचुरेटेड बनाओ CH3 CH2 CH CH2 1 2 3 4 means butane इतन करो इस name butene not ene because it contains double bond अगर इन्हें triple bond बनाओ ना CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Now this compound it contains four carbons 1 2 3 and 4 means butane but it contains one triple bond means its name will be butyl. Now these are the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now coming to the another is why was branched chain compounds. Branched chain. Actually, branched chain compounds those compounds which contain which contain more than two carbon. इस पर जो branched chain is thin compounds even one carbon atom is attached to more than 2 carbon atoms. Yet must carbon atom is attached to C, C, and C. It is a straight chain compound in which one carbon atom is attached to two, only two means straight chain. अगर एक branched के बनाओ है, it is a branched chain compound. या अगर इस तरह बड़े ब्रैकेट बनाओ C, C, and C. This is also a branched chain compound. Yet one carbon atom is attached to 1, 2, and 3 carbon atoms. Here, this carbon atom is attached to 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbon atom. When you think branched chain compounds, so much as a carbon atom attached to more than 2, means more than 2 carbon atoms. That much is discuss come. So that is the lecture we could discuss, that is the isomerism. You guess it must be repeat. As now a branched chain compound like CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. This is now a formula is pushing. I still put on it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 means its formula is C4. High number of hydrogens question H10. The formula of this compound is C4H10. कोई यह मस सोर कार्बन जहाँ तक पाई अच नाव ब्यूटेन अच ब्यूटेन ये बराबर ब्या कंपाउंड CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Its formula is 1, 2, 3, and 4, means 4 carbons, C4. Number of hydrogens ko 3 as the 7 the go H10. Its name is also butane. It 4 carbon means butane. Same formula, chemical formula, same molecular formula, but two different structures. This is branched chain compound, this is straight chain compound. Different structures, but same molecular formula. We call them as given isomers. We discuss. These are called as iso, and this phenomena is called as isomerism. And these two structures, we call them as structural isomers. Means structural isomers. Now, how to differentiate them by name? Even now, is totally different. This butane is a straight chain compound. We write N-butane. First, add prefixes was N. N क्या normal. This is normal butane. Means normal butane means straight chain compound. While as this butane is named as isobutane. It is we add prefix iso to this branched chain compound so that it can be differentiated from this normal butane. We think this formula is N-butane. Now as N-butane means it is a straight chain compound. You think this isobutane it is not a straight chain compound, but it is a branched chain compound. So you think what that means there are like is butanes with molecular formula C4H10. It has two isomers. Two structural isomers. If you is pentane is what pentane is having many CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. It is pentane. It is. मगर इसको N pentane means normal pentane, straight chain compound. अगर इस isomers बनाऊं तिम बनन वाले like CH2 one. For example, we call it as isobutane. That the way it put. You go back. We call this is normal butane. This is isobutane. This we call it as neobutane. Neobutane. Now some branched chain compounds. Branched chain compounds अगर इस थोड़े repeat करो go those branched chain compounds गए तीन compounds इवन में carbon atom is attached दयो खुद ज़्यादा carbon atom तो अगर इसमें उसका confusion है रोज़ so रोज़ को comment box में तुम करें इंशाल्लाह तेरी clear